Hi, my name's Kate, and I'm a quilter. Today, it's National Quilting Day. I'm going to go over the top 5 things that you need if you want to get started on quilting. First, you need a really good cutting mat. I like this one because, frankly, it's huge. It fits pretty much my entire craft desk, but it allows me to cut just about anything. Speaking of cutting, you need a really good rotary cutter. This one, it's really easy to fix the blades, it's easy to cut fabric, it's really comfortable to hold. It's from a brand named Olfa. I'd say you need a ruler. You need to cut, you need to measure. Oh, okay, maybe 2 rulers, maybe 2. 2 is good. There, all right, maybe I own 3. Okay, look, I own quite a few rulers because when you're quilting, you need to cut fabric in all kinds of shapes and sizes. And oh, look at this one, it's so cute. You're gonna also need some fabric. We're talking a lot of fabric. Let's go ahead and think about the amount of fabric that you might need. Multiply it by 4. Look, no shame, I own a lot of fabric. This is all fabric from Anna Maria Horner. She is an incredible designer. I really love her online store, so check her out if you like vibrant patterns. Then once you have all of these, the last thing you need, of course, is a sewing machine. I've been quilting for a few years now, so I have a really fancy one, but I started out with a really basic Brother, and it was amazing. Happy quilting!